how did I get here? The Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining has initiated a transformative step to bolster the small ruminant sector on the island. The call is for local farmers to dive into goat rearing with renewed enthusiasm. This encouragement comes with a significant financial incentive, the removal of General Consumption Tax, GCT, and a duty cost for those importing goats to enhance their breeding stock.
Thanks for stopping by again, Kadia.
What is certain is that one of our goat farmers has already answered the call, and we set out to discover what sparked his interest and how his goat rearing business is progressing.
We actually started goat farming in 2019, so this is our 5th year that we've been in the business, and we got our first set of goats from Unity Boar Goat Farm in Mandeville. We started with a full-blood boar ram, and then from there we started to like the business because it's kind of compound interest. You know, one mother gave 2 kids and it grows from there. All right, well, in the mornings we come in, first thing you do, you go through to the pens and you observe. So this is the maternity ward where we have the mothers with young kids on them. So you want to go through in the day and make sure nobody got squashed, there's no illness, there's no lameness with the legs or anything like that. And then we take the kids from the mothers and put them in a creeper feed, where we introduce them to their own feed and water. And this helps to get the ruminants started, where they pick on hay, so that when it's time to wean them off, they are independent of the parents.
I sure enjoy eating curried goat, but touching live ones takes some getting used to.
Then we get our grains from Hypro, and we go through and feed the grains to the different mothers. So each mother gets about 2 pounds of grains each day to sustain as a supplement to the grass and the water that they get. And from there now we move on to the other goats that release in pasture. Being in the business for 4 years and observing my other colleagues in the business, I said to myself, how do I separate myself from the traditional goat farmer?
And you can only separate yourself when you have mastered the basics and are ready to take on a new challenge.
Everybody's just selling goat meat and everybody's enjoying goat meat as curry goat. But then there are many other ways to enjoy goat meat. There's goat sausage, there's goat burger, which is jam goat. You can also have goat pasta, and we have other ideas in line, maybe even goat nuggets. So I decided to put on my thinking hat with my family members and came up with an innovative way of where we can enjoy meat. Plus, goat is actually healthier red meat.
As he said, traditionally, Jamaicans have incorporated goat meat into dishes like curried goat and manish water. But the shocking truth, according to the Ministry of Agriculture, is that over 80% of what we consume as goat meat is actually imported sheep. This revelation shows the importance of supporting local goat farming and that we need to explore diverse ways to prepare and enjoy genuine goat meat. This is where the magic happens. We are now in the agro-processing section of this farm where goat meat is transformed into delectable goat burgers. Although we couldn't capture every step of the process, I can assure you that the journey from raw goat meat to gourmet jam goat burgers exemplifies the statement, your gift will make room for you. I certainly put in the work today as I uncovered the ebbs and flows of goat rearing. But one question remains, is it a lucrative business?
Think about taking $10, putting it aside, coming back, and that $10 is now $40. And you take that $40 with your $10, put it aside, and come back, and it's now $120. Goats, to me, is a true definition of compound interest. One female goat can give you up to 4 kids. And those 4 kids, if female, can multiply and give you another 4 kids. So, and plus, when you look at our economy, Jamaica is importing $15 million worth of goat meat each year. So the market is wide open for everybody to come and diversify and take a piece of the pie. So why not come and join?
Before we leave, we decided to request one takeaway for the journey.
Mr. Henry,
can you provide me with advice on how to make this business a success?
Definitely, Katie. With proper planning, proper numbers, calculating your birth season, your kidding season, and what you're trying to market, you have to do all of that so that you can make the success come to reality. And that's how we end up with the idea.
A jam goat burger, of course.
Now that we have developed a goat burger, you can see the tremendous possibilities.